Hello, my name is Mike Genulitis, and I'm the founder of Cornerable Software. This is part one of a three-part video set in which I will show you how to save IIS log entries to a SQL Server database with table columns for each field. In part two, I will show you how to monitor IIS logs in real time to get notified when there is a 500 error. And in part three, I will show you how to generate a daily report of 404 not found errors. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as part 2 and part 3 become available. This tutorial assumes you have already set up Cornerable Server Manager to save all log entries to SQL Server, and IIS is using the out-of-the-box configuration which saves log entries to a daily rolling W3C file that contains the current date within the file name. From the menu bar, select File, New. The Create New Object view displays. From the Create New Object view, expand Template, Log Management, then select Log Consolidation. The new Log Consolidation Template Properties view displays. From the new Log Consolidation Template Properties view, use the Subtype dropdown to select W3C. The Template Properties view now contains 7 tabs. Use the General tab to specify a schedule. The default schedule is set to once a minute. Use the Files tab to specify the file search criteria. Navigate to the directory that contains the IIS log files, then select one of the files. Use the Search Criteria text box to specify the date mask to search with. For IIS log files, this is less than YY capital MMDD greater than. Replace the date with the date mask, then click the checkbox button. The software displays a message showing today's file. Click the Add button to add the search criteria to the template. The Read Options tab enables you to configure how to read the log file. Use the Logical File Name text box to specify the display name you would like to use for this log. For example, my IIS website log. Setting this value also configures the software to save each daily discovered IIS log file to the same database table. Otherwise, a table is generated each day for the corresponding IIS log file. The Rules tab enables you to configure the consolidation rules. Use the Log Retention Policy dropdown to select the retention policy. The retention policy is another template that defines the number of days to retain in the primary and archive log databases. For example, archive entries older than 30 days and retain entries for 150 days, for a total of 180 days. Use the Columns tab to define the IIS log file database columns. Click Load Columns. The Load Separated Values Columns dialog displays and automatically loads the current IIS log file into the viewer. From the viewer, click the line that contains the column headers. The Column Definitions view is populated with each data column. Notice the first column is _date. Any name that is reserved is prepended with an underscore. Click OK to apply the definitions to the template. Select the General tab, then click the Auto Generate button to create a unique name. Click Save to save your changes. From the Explorer view, expand Hosts, then navigate to the target host. Expand, Right-click on the new WC3 file consolidation template, then select Execute Verbose. The monitor is immediately queued for execution, then the Monitor Status tab view displays. From the Monitor Status view, you can see the status of the monitor. The Data Properties tab displays the name of the table, the date range, the number of IIS log file entries saved, and the size of the data in the database. To view the saved IIS log file entries from the database, click the View Consolidated Log button. The Select Log Viewer Options dialog displays. Since IIS log files can be very large, select the Display 25 Entries per Page option, then click OK. The Consolidated Text Log Viewer displays. From the Consolidated Text Log Viewer, notice we can see each of the columns we previously defined. That's part 1 of IIS log file consolidation, monitoring, and reporting.